face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I just thought of doing a part 2 of Pollpay. I mean, how to qualify or get qualified for more service. Yeah, I just thought of doing a part 2 of it. I received this payment yesterday, as you can see here. It's here. I received this payment yesterday. It's not a fake one, it's real, $15, and I got paid within 30 minutes of requesting for payout, and it was paid to my PayPal account, which is really good. Pollpay is really a legit app that pays you to do short surveys, and sometimes it keeps long. I know, and the problem that people are having is they don't qualify for surveys, and sometimes they screen them out at the end of the survey. That's why we're going to talk about in this video. So if you are new to this channel, interested in making money online and learn as well, then please kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So this is the payment. Now you go to our Pollpay app. Actually, so our Pollpay app is loading. Okay, so after I requested for the $15, this is my my balance right now. So I'll click on qualify now. As I said, Pollpay is really for the smart people. Yeah, it's for the smart people. So I have the first video which talks about how to set up your Pollpay account when you are registering for the first time. So if you haven't watched that video, please check the top right corner of this video and click on the card which appears and go and watch that video to set up your Pollpay account for the first time. And if you're new to Pollpay, I will leave my my code under the description so you can check it out. Once you register, you can enter or put in the code and receive your bonus. And if you put in the code, I will not receive bonus, you will only receive bonus. I will just earn some small amount when you qualify for service. But we all pray that you qualify for service after watching this video and the previous video. So if you're new to Pollpay, watch the previous video and set up your Pollpay account. Then you come back and watch this video if you still don't qualify for service. So after you all the tutorials that I've given you, so I've opened my Pollpay now. So from which of the following categories have you purchased in the past 12 months? Okay, I'll say chocolate. Sorry. Okay, so what state do you live in? So I'll say New Jersey. Sorry. Okay, so I think there's a survey for me, so I'll hit on it. And it's not every day that you qualify for service. Sometimes you may not qualify, sometimes you may qualify, but your answers will screen you out. That's why I said Pollpay is really for the smart people. If they sometimes ask some tricky questions, and if you choose the wrong answer, they will screen you out. And sometimes too, you need to get your data questions on your mind, because sometimes they will ask you at the beginning of the survey, or sometimes they will ask you in the middle or at the end of a survey. So if you select different answer to the one that you selected during your data questions, that means they may know that you are lying, and they will screen you out. So please kindly take note of that. seems my network is really bad. And the two things to consider when doing Pollpay surveys. You must have a strong network. If your network is really poor, they will screen you out. And if you're outside the United States, if you're outside the United States, you need a strong VPN, a VPN which is really good. Yeah, if your VPN is not good, your network is not good, then you will always they will always disqualify you for service. And so as you see, my network is really bad, but it seems my VPN is strong. That's why it's still on. Okay, okay, so we are in the survey. So thank you for your interest in this. So the question is, in which country do you currently reside? We currently live in the United States. That's where our VPN is connected to. Then we hit next. Okay, so questions like this: in which, if any, of the following industry are you or anyone in your household immediately employed? Questions like this is really tricky. It is really tricky. If you select one, what if you select retail and they are looking for people in travel or tourism to do the service, which means they will screen you out. So questions like this are always tricky, and it's ahead and your intelligence. So I'm sure if you select any of these, they will just screen you out. So you will select other. You see, we are in the survey, but if you selected any job, they would have screened you out. So we are a male. Okay, as I said in the first video, your ages should be 40 to 50. So we are in the age range of 35 to 44. Okay, so what is your highest? Okay, I in the previous video postgraduate or masters. So if you haven't watched the first or the previous video, kindly go and watch it and set up your Pollpay account, then come watch this video, then proceed. Have you used a website or app to get travel informations? And okay, I think I have to select yes. Okay, which of the following, if any, have you used in the past? So questions like this is also tricky. Which of the following, if any, have you used in the past 12 months to book okay, so we have to select all of them. We have to select all of them. See, we are in the survey. So as I said, you need to be smart when doing a Pollpay survey. When you think of comparing prices of hotels. Okay, let me pause the video, then do it. Yeah, so you see, I've reached this part and it's asking, what is your average annual household income? This question, we've already answered it in the data question. So they already know the answer we provided. So in this case, if you provide different answer, they will screen you out because they may know that you are lying. Yeah, so always keep everything you answer or everything you answer during the data question, keep the answers in mind. So guys, as you can see, I just completed the survey. Hooray, you've successfully completed the survey. You are welcome to answer further surveys, simply return to the app and qualify. So it's easy if you follow steps by steps. Kindly watch the previous video to set up your Pollpay account. Then after that, you follow every steps in that video. If you still not getting qualification to do surveys, come back and watch this video and be smart. I always tell you people to be smart. So to show you this is not a screenshot or something like that, I'll hit on back to the app. This wasn't a screenshot, it's real. I just did the survey. Okay, so our point, I think our point was 51. You can go back to the video and look at it yourself. Our point was 51, and so which means the survey we did was 21 cents, and so it made it 8 cents. So guys, and sometimes USA may not be favoring you. Maybe you are in the United States, and or your VPN is being connected to the United States, but maybe it's not favoring you. So what you have to do is go back to the app and go to the app settings. Then you hit on storage. Then click on clear cache. Okay, once you're you've cleared your cache, go back and change your server. Change your server. Oh, where's the VPN? Okay, let me use it. The VPN that I'll recommend for you if you are outside the United States is 24 Clan. It's a strong VPN, and I've been using it to do my service. So once you've cleared the caches, you can now change the location from United States to United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, or Singapore. So let's try Australia. I'll not do a survey, but I'm just using it to show you guys. Then we will open Pollpay again. So here we are no more in the United States. So in case United States is not favoring you, maybe they are disqualifying you, you can change your server from United States to United Kingdom, or you can change it to Australia and Canada if United States is not favoring you. Same thing applies if you change it to Australia and maybe you've done 2 surveys, 3 surveys, and the rest are not favoring you. All you have to do is clear the caches of Pollpay, then try a different server. It will work. So we hit on start survey. Okay, English. So it will load, and as you can see, what is the highest level of education? You select masters. Okay, we have a survey to do. So that's how Pollpay works. In conclusion, Pollpay, always be smart. Just watch the previous video, set up your account, and be smart. If you're outside the United States, the strong VPN that I recommend for you is 24 Clan VPN. It's really a strong one, and you must have a good network. If your network is really poor, then you're going to suffer doing Pollpay service. Pollpay is really legit app that will pay you to do short service. It's really legit, and I urge everybody to try it. If you haven't tried it, then please try it. I will leave my code under the description, so in case you are new to Pollpay and you register, make sure you enter the code to get extra bonus. So guys, I think I'll end here. If you loved this video, kindly hit on the like button, comment, then share. But if you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you next time in my next video.
MDK.
Bye.
Awada.
Face, tell me that you love me.